Dear viewers and subscribers, Sala Digital is grateful for your support and encouragement. Since joining YouTube on May 10th, 2021, we have reached a major milestone of 1 lakh subscribers. We are thrilled to see our community grow and thrive, and we promise to continue creating content that you find valuable and engaging. We take pride in our major hits, including the Nath program, Bharat Jodo Yatra coverage, hijab issues, Karnataka elections 2023, live assembly sessions, anti-conversion stories, and food stories, especially during Ramzan. We are grateful for the 33 million views and unwavering support of our loyal viewers. We couldn't have made it this far without the leadership of our channel heads, Dr. K. Rahman Khan, former Deputy Speaker Raj Sabha, and Mansoor Ali Khan, the educationist. Their vision and commitment to social harmony and peace, and our unbiased and neutral approach to news have brought us to where we are today. Despite facing challenges along the way, including a week-long suspension for unpublished news story and strikes, we remained committed to upholding YouTube's norms while never compromising on the quality of our stories. As we celebrate this milestone, we want to thank you for being a part of this journey. Here is to many more milestones and exciting moments on our journey together.